Do you also crave pasta but are tired of cooking the same recipes over and over? Let's make this Achari Penne today for lunch. I started with boiling the pasta as we normally do with some salt. Now in a big kadhai, add some oil, punch phoran and some green chillies. Let these crackle and then add onion. After the onion turns brown, add in your tomato puree along with some turmeric and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. To this add some water and salt as per your taste and let it boil. After it separates oil, add some dahi and water and cook it while stirring well. Now add some coriander powder, garam masala and kasuri methi to this gravy. In another pan, add some butter and roasted jeera. Add the boiled pasta to this pan and toss it really well. Meanwhile, add some amchur powder to the gravy and mix it well. Add in your tossed pasta and mix everything together. Your achari penne is ready to be eaten. Enjoy!